Hubert Centers here. Let's take a look at LNKD, which is LinkedIn. Now, let's say that you've missed the sell-off here in LinkedIn, and you're sitting here going, daggone it, I knew the social media thing was never going to work. It's just a bubble, just like everything else. That's fine if you think that. There's nothing wrong with that strategy or that opinion. So let's talk about a way to better trade LinkedIn. So obviously, it's a little gappy, right? It had a gap up here, ran pretty hard, gap down here, and now it's kind of resting on its 50-day moving average. And we'll probably come down here and test its 200-day moving average at 130.26. No. So it's trading around its lower one-third of the bottom of the previous day. So what you do is you try to think, like, what else is like LinkedIn? Well, the good old-fashioned Facebook. All right, so Facebook is kind of like LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a more professional version of Facebook, and they actually make quite a bit of money, and they monetize it a little bit better than Facebook. So if LinkedIn will roll over, then the same thing should happen to Facebook. So you could short Facebook with a target of 26.86 and 24.92. Now, I just wouldn't just blanket short it because of that. I would then use like an open range breakout system, and I'll show you what that looks out in just a second here. So now, armed with the opinion that I think that Facebook is going to go lower, then what I do is I just put on my handy-dandy open range breakout system indicator on top of my charts, and then it allows me to stay on the short side. So if I would have got a green, if I had a candlestick up here around the green, it would have told me to buy there, but I did not. Plus, I am bearish on Facebook because of the LinkedIn information, okay? So what I do is I sell here at 28.13, and I use the purple stop loss at 28.37, and then my first target here is at 27.95, and then the second target is at 27.83. So nice and simple and clean. Look, here's the deal. Automation equals domination. So remember that in your trading. Good luck. Hope it helps, and I'll see you on the next video.